Now we have a limit going toward infinity, and this is the limit as x goes to infinity of one polynomial divided by another polynomial. So a polynomial, just in case you forgot, is x to some whole number power like 7 or 4 or 10. When you see a polynomial divided by a polynomial, you ask yourself, what, and by the way, limit going to infinity, what's the degree of my numerator, what's the degree of my denominator? Because once I know the answers to those questions, I can quickly answer this type of question. So when you have the limit as x going to infinity, I have two polynomial, one on the top, one on the bottom. The degree of this polynomial is 7, the highest power that we see here, and the degree of this polynomial is 10, the highest power that we see down below. Here, the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, so that's going to give us this instance here, this case here where the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, which gives us an answer of 0. But I just want to kind of highlight these other rules here, make sure you know these as well. What if I had instead said, let's make this a 10. So if this limit had been x approaches infinity of x to the 10th over 3x to the 7th plus 7x to the 10th, this is where the degree of the numerator now matches the degree of the denominator. In that case, your answer is a over b. What do I mean by that? A being the leading coefficient of the highest power up here, so this would be a 1, and then the highest power down here, which would be 10, and that coefficient is 7, so my answer wouldn't be 0, it'd be 1/7. So just make sure you know these three rules. The sooner you learn these rules, the better, because they're going to come up quite a bit, especially when you're dealing with limit as x goes to infinity of a polynomial divided by a polynomial.